Right, this is test two on this because first time my keyboard randomly stopped working. Hopefully that doesn't happen anymore. Let's see if we're live. If we are, I'm just gonna go ahead and take a second just to tweet about this real quick. Okay, it says we're live. Let's see if I can get a link. And copy link. Awesome. Okay, this is test two. Hopefully this works fine this time. Anyways, so I just have a simple Laravel project. We're gonna create my sister's website actually, and she wants to create. She has this design. She bought a theme, but she wants to customize it to her liking. So she gave me everything she wants to write and all that good stuff. So I have the theme files right here. I already dragged it into the public folder. So the first thing to do is to find this landing page. So I'm just gonna click on a random one. Let's see, it's gonna open. Cool. So now that I have one of them open, let's go to, I'm guessing this is gonna be one of the landing pages. I don't know. I don't know which one. She didn't really tell me. Business. Yeah, I think this is the theme. So yeah, this is it. So the first thing you want to do is, okay, so this is the index.business. I'm going to go ahead and open that on my VS Code. So let's go to index and then business. Where are you, buddy? There we go. Let's open that. And let's start with all of the stuff in the head. Let's go ahead and just copy that. I'm gonna make this split screen for a second. Go back to our blade. Put all of that in. The reason why I'm not copying the whole entire thing is because I have this script in the bottom. This is for the live reload. So anytime I save a file, the page reloads. If you noticed, I save the file, page reloading on top. So, well, I guess we could just copy everything and then add this part at the end, right? So what if whatever. Let's just do that. So copy the whole body tag, put it there. Let's get our scripty. Make sure it was copied. Delete that. And we could put our script at the very bottom. Page still reloading. All right, cool. So page is reloading. This is the actual. See, what's really weird right now is that the nav bar seems to be overlapping, but on the actual one, it's not overlapping. I wonder if the reload stuff is affecting it. Just curious. No. Okay, that's very odd. What if I just copy the whole thing? Did I miss something? Okay, so that's the being a little weird. I'm also going to, at the meantime, let me go ahead and just drag all these assets again. So this is about it. Copy folders, replace. Super weird. Either way, not really a big issue. Um, let's go ahead and put our fast reload stuff again. Connected, sweet. Look at that, and now it's working up top. Super weird. I think it's a problem with the theme. That's fine. All right, now that we're here, let's start making the changes that she mentioned. So we'll start with the very top. Super easy stuff. So we're just going to find, this is, it says leading something. So leading digital for business. So learn to tell your, and then she's trying to put something there. Why don't we highlight that, right? So we can erase this, put like your story, vision, journey. Pretty sure I spelled that wrong. Gate Pro. Refresh this. Why don't you tell your story? Yeah, your vision. That looks pretty cool. Next thing, she has 2 different paragraphs. Not a problem. We can go ahead and add that. Why don't you tell your story like a pro? This is 1 paragraph. She has 2. So let's go ahead and copy this. Paste that there. Next thing we want to do is, let's just add another paragraph. Oh, we're copying the wrong one. Looks pretty good so far. Let's change this button up. She wants a button to say interviewing quiz. All right, I think we could start doing most of the things, and then like we don't have to like keep going back and forth. Let's edit a couple things and then go back and forth. So, and then go back to a browser. I mean, so let's do what we do. That's the image of the girl. What we do. She wants what we do and why. So this is her first thing, and then we can probably highlight we got you and finish it off with this. Awesome. Next thing is the next paragraph. So she has this right here. Let's go ahead and copy this paragraph tag with the same exact styling to it. And copy this. See, it's really nice when I told her in advance to break it down to how she wants to start. So I said, look, have the text already there for me because it's so much easier for me to do things when it's already like there. Recommend for clients, definitely tell them, you know, what do you want there, so you don't have to have time to like think about it and all that. So cool. This is how it looks. 2 different paragraphs. If that's not the style she wanted, we could also combine it into one. I'll keep it like that for now. And then I think she just wants 3 of these. Right now there is 6. Let's see, I think she wants these 3, and then these are the pricing stuff. Okay, so we can go here, and I'm guessing this is one of them. They're broken down by rows. No, it's just one row. These are the 3, and these are the other 3. So we can keep 3 of them. And then add stuff to it. So first thing is this. This is the title. Here's the content. And the reason why I chose to go with a Laravel project for this is to use components. We haven't done it yet, but to use components. And also she's trying to do some payment stuff and also some like really nice table. I'm planning on using Livewire for that, which I think will be cool for, you know, people that are trying to learn Livewire. To be a perfect example. It's a brand new project, basically. I'm just using a theme. So let's go ahead and go to the next thing. And for those who are kind of new to programming and have questions on, like, you know, what's a p tag, what's a div, and how do I know that this is that section? It's pretty easy. You know, with column, this means column, MD, medium size, and then 4 screens are made out of 12 columns, 12 being the full screen. 4 means, hey, I'll just take this much. That's why if you notice it says 444, which equals 12, and that's why it's fitting 4, 4, and then 4. And then it's kind of easy. It's just like HTML is pretty simple to read. Is you find the text you're trying to edit, you just kind of replace it. You know, this is a certain style, I'm guessing, to it, and then this is margin top 4, which adds some margin to the top, margin bottom 0, so don't add anything to the text in the bottom, no margin. Kind of pretty straightforward. Let's do I did the top one, I did this one, right? These interviews, yep. Let's do this one now. Close that, open this one. Cool. So those 3 are done. Looks nice. Now onto this section. So I think she has arrows pointing to it. She didn't really give me a title for that. I'm just going to leave it the same until she reviews it. I do plan on creating a simple pipeline for this, or using something like Laravel Forge. That way, and I'll teach her how to edit HTML. I might even record that. Because I feel like she can edit small things like that herself. And if we do it on GitHub, it's branched, or, you know, so if she messes up or anything, we can always revert that change. So this is that. Next is this title. I think she's meaning to put that there. Don't think we need to color anything. I'm just gonna put the simple paragraph there. And I really like, what I really like about this theme, everything's broken down into sections. It's gonna be really great when componentizing it, because we can just componentize it based on the section tag. It's gonna be super cool. So here's where see everything about, that's a counter. I don't want that. Pricing. Okay, so here's where the pricing comes in. We have the free. Then she has these things. And how are they broken down here? Okay. So they're broken down into a list. Awesome. Oh, she wants one more. She wants coming soon added to this. I think that's what she meant. Cool. So I'm probably gonna change this text to get started. Better than buy now. It's a monthly thing, and then also that's the free plan, so you're not really buying anything. I think it makes a little bit more sense. I'm gonna take a quick break, get something to drink. Check out this pretty cool IPA. Looks kind of cool. So, okay. We have the next one, which is this one. Pretty simple stuff. So this is right here. Where's this best coming from? Okay, that's the top. We could leave that. And what was the pricing for that? $7.99. And then we're just adding these to the list. I'm interested to know, what kind of videos you guys want to, see. I'm always like, don't know what's like interesting, like, yeah. Anyways, let's see. See how this looks. Let's go ahead and change this to get started. Oh, it already says that. Sweet. So we have the next one, right? Next one is the professional plan. This is the title for it. This one is most likely going to record doing these live as well, coding these monthly memberships. Probably going to use Laravel Cashier with Stripe. Seems like the smartest option. Laravel Cashier also works pretty great. It basically handles a lot of the hard work for you, really. So let's go ahead and copy the last one, and we could hit save, see how it looks so far. Why does it not want to copy now? So let's put that there and paste. Okay, the keyboard's acting up again. Oh, it's back. Hit save. And we have this, that, and let's see what else we got. So it looks like after that, it's just the footer. So I guess we have to delete some of these sections. Delete this, and this probably include that, and delete this, and just have the bottom. Okay, so where does this section start? So this is the pricing. I wonder if this is the counterpart. I think this might be the counterpart. ID counter. I think we might have to leave this ID because the JavaScript might actually look for it. Until we fix that JavaScript. So what we can just do is We're using counter here too. Yeah, we'll have to play around with the app.js that this comes with. Yeah, I think honestly it's just gonna look for this ID. So we're not really using any of this. Yeah, that doesn't break the nav bar or anything. We'll fix this after we fix we delete the counter from the JavaScript. Let's do this part now. So that's deleting this section. Start with, where's the title for this? See everything. Does that go from here? Oh, this is the other footer. This is the news section. Okay, the news section just has 2 containers. So delete that container. Refresh. Cool. That's what we get in the bottom. We can now, thank you for joining the community. That's what she wanted here. And get started now and contact us. Now for the footer. This has 2 footers. I'm thinking of just keeping one. Honestly, I don't think we need the top footer. I think we're fine with this one. So that's basically the first page done. Honestly, I think it looks pretty good. I'm not gonna break it down to components yet. I think these could be broken down to components. So can some of these buttons, and also each section. Let's do the other page, which it's a about page. So first thing first, let's find that page. I'm guessing there's an about page here. Account. Am I missing it somewhere? About. It's this one. So it's the about. I don't think she has that. She has this. She doesn't have that. I don't remember seeing that. She has this, and then she puts a contact form in the bottom. Okay, so let's start with this page. Page, the about us. Before we do anything, I'm gonna go ahead and just create a new file. About.blade.php and link a route to this. So let's go to the web and link that. About. And let's open this up. So this is called page about us. Wow, went straight to it. Open that. So let's see, we have, well, let's go ahead and just copy all this for now. We'll fix it up after. There we go. And let's start. So based on this, she has about, I think she means add that paragraph at the top, the little hero section. So this all seems like navigation stuff. There we go. This right here. It's a little dark. Not really a fan. I'll leave it for now until she asks me to edit it. Let's see how it looks if it was white. I think that's better. But I'll have her decide. So edit that back. Yeah, we'll just leave it like this for now. I think this can change. I think we can delete this one, just have company about. Yeah, that looks good. Now we can do this right here. What does she want? Who are we? It's gonna be this section now. Position relative. Is that this part? Is this one image? No, this is not one image. All right, so that is this right here. Years of experience, who we are, and then all this changes. Oh, did I not copy that paragraph? Oh, right here. Nice. So now, I think the position relative stuff is to add this little thingy right here. I think this is an image. Cool. So next is the companies. I think she wanted to delete this. Didn't add the fast reload to this. Got a little lazy, so that's fine. We don't need it. When we put this into Blade components, every page will have that, so that will be clutch. Okay, so next section, these three thingies. Here are the text for them. So she has 2 titles. I think she meant to just put these because she has 2 different titles, so I'm not really too sure which one to use. Yeah, let's just use those. So that would be this one, and let's put this. Cool. Next one would be this. Copy this. So I still haven't really done anything that's Laravel related. I want to get the design first. That's usually what I do. For me, that's the most boring boring part. So I like to just get that over with right in the beginning. Um, okay, so she has a little bit more on this one. Put all of it for now. But not too sure how that's gonna look. You know what? It doesn't look too bad. I think she wanted to do something else for this section. I remember her telling me, so I'm gonna leave this section alone for now. And let's just focus on removing this and adding the other stuff. So this row's done, that's done. There is no what we do. Meet team members. That's this whole section. Again, we can delete that first footer. Okay, now we just got this. Where is that located? Looks like it's this section. Maybe in a different container. Yep. So it looks like all three of them. There we go. It's just its own row. All right, there we go. It doesn't look too bad. So now it's where I'm gonna focus on make this into like Laravel style. For that, I'm gonna need a little bit more room on the coding side because I want to compare the top headers on both pages. So, quick message. Looks like most of the headers are the same. Bootstrap. Yep, we have this. This one just has one more extra one. Also has these. And this. Okay. So what we're going to do is let's create a actually I could just do it through here. So here, views, and let's do a new folder called components, and let's name this master.blade.php. Copy this, put that there, and let's edit this. First off, not really too worried about that. Let's fix this first. So all of these CSS stuff, let's give this more room. So most of the CSS stuff, we have to add asset to it. So let's go ahead and just do that. I think I can highlight all of them. I always forget what's the... Oh, am I gonna find it today? No way, I swear it was, oh, yeah, there we go. Select that, select that, select that, and select that. Looks like it's all of them. So start doing that. That's and we do that. Now we simply just boom. Okay, that looks good, that section. And then we're also going to add one more thing here. We're gonna add a stack. Let's do a stack and name it CSS. That way, for those extra ones that we want to add, we can just push it to that stack and it'll just add to the view. What else? Here we don't really care about any of this 2BH. Actually, we can probably let's say something. So let's go ahead and compare the about. And do they both have the same sort of, they do have the same header, but that's all they have in common, right? Yeah, just the header. Okay, so not a problem. Let's go back to the master. Let's get this header and let's put it into its own component now. So let's just create one more component, header.blade.php. Put that there on the side. Let's go back to master. Drag that in. And here we can now just say bang. This is different based on the page that we're in. So all of this gotta go. Except for this footer. So same thing we did for the header, we're gonna do for the footer. Let's go ahead and just repeat that. And I'm a huge fan of these components because it's so easy to reuse code this way and makes your code look so much cleaner. So go ahead, copy the footer. And then we'll fix each little section later. Let's go here, footer. Okay, I'm gonna have to end the stream, probably continue tomorrow. My friend needs me to jumpstart his car. But let me just do this real quick. Header, footer, all looks good. Let's see if we can just use this real quick, maybe on the about page. So if we copy, yeah, let me just do this one second. Let's see if we can do this. So in the master we have that, all of that. So let's just see which ones are different again. Actually, we'll copy. Okay, so we have all of this. Copy that. Delete everything. X/master. Paste that in it. Inside of master, we still don't have a slot. Okay. Looks good, still works. Yep, still works. Nice. Now what we want to do quickly is add those extra things. Push those to the stack. So if I look at that one and then I go back to the original about us 2, just real quick, let's see what's missing. We're pushing to the CSS stack and they're using this slider. I think this is the part that I deleted, or it's this. Okay, so we have all of that. Yeah, it's just this slider. Let's copy the comment as well. Put that there. And let me just scroll down to the JavaScript part where I'm at it. Okay, most of the JavaScript looks exactly the same. We can now close this. Really don't need it. And in here, you already know what we're going to do. Let's just do, oh, selected the wrong thing. And now we can just copy this. And let's see. There we go. And we use blade components, so HTML is pretty small. We can still break it down a lot more. I'm probably gonna do a part 2 to this. I gotta go help my friend real quick. But hope you guys enjoy this. Make sure to subscribe if you enjoy this. Let me know what you guys want me to, make live. I enjoy making things. I love challenges. But I'll catch